Do you feel like you're a mentally strong person? Is your mental health and age on par with what it should be expected of you at your current age? What are some things that mentally strong people avoid? And do you avoid them? Not sure? Well, don't worry, because in this video, we're going to talk about all of that. More of that in just a second. Today, we're going to look at 5 things mentally strong people don't do. Make sure to watch until number 1, because that's one of the craziest things we've ever seen. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 5, self-pity. Life is tough and full of ups and downs. It's like a roller coaster going around in circles, and a lot of times you might feel like you're going to fall off. In these tough situations, a lot of people give up and resort to self-pity. Instead of combating and tackling the issue, they just accept the bad situation they're in and stop trying to make it better. Mentally strong people, on the other hand, never self-pity themselves. Yes, you're in a bad situation, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be bad forever. You can either choose to sit back and brood about how you got the short end of the stick, or you can actually get up and actually do something about it. That's what mentally strong people do. They fight to make their life easier and to get out of tough situations. Life is a challenge, and the only way you're going to conquer it is by actively working to make it better. When you start pitying yourself, you let self-limiting thoughts take over your mind. You flush your energy down the drain and dig yourself into a hole that gets more and more difficult to get out of. Instead of choosing to wallow in self-pity, start working to make yourself more productive. You are infinite. You can do anything. Mentally strong people know that, and that's what they practice. Number 4, focusing on the past. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. Yesterday is gone. It's history, never coming back. You can either choose to learn from it or let it define you. Mentally strong people never live in the past. They understand that the past doesn't predict their future. It's merely a way for them to learn from their mistakes and do better in the future. No matter how dark and painful your past was, you need to realize that it's just the past and you can't do anything about it. What you can do, however, is make your future better and brighter by focusing on your present. Live in the moment, not the past or the future, but in the moment. Don't let a bad past give you a bad future. Your past experiences don't define you. They build your character and teach you valuable lessons. Good experiences make you happy, and bad ones make you wise. Number 3, envious of their friends. One thing that is a sure way to know if you're mentally strong or not is to see if you get envious and jealous of your friend's success. Mentally strong people never get jealous of their friend's success. They know that envy holds you back. It stops you from realizing your true self-worth and turns your positive energy into a negative mindset that destroys your productivity. Instead of focusing on how you can get that success too, or being happy for your friend, you might start lashing out at them or being angry and resentful because they're more successful than you. This not only severely messes up your friendship, but it also destroys your mental peace. In every passing moment, the envy and jealousy eats you up from the inside and turns your creativity into hatred. Instead of being envious and jealous of people, you should start analyzing what they did that you didn't. Maybe they put in more effort, or maybe it was just luck. Who knows? What we do know for sure is that envy isn't going to help you achieve anything. If you want to be successful too, you need to start working harder instead of being envious. Devote your energy and use it in a more positive and productive way. Plus, everybody loves someone that is genuinely happy for them when they succeed. Do that, and you'll form friendships that last a lifetime. By the way, if you're finding this video valuable so far, then make sure to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And while you're at it, why not subscribe so you can keep learning more? It's free. Number 2, let someone control your life for you. Who makes your decisions better than you? Your parents, your boss, your partner? If it's anyone other than yourself, you're doing it wrong. Never let anyone else control or affect your life decisions. It's your life. You are the one that has to deal with the consequences of your actions and the results of your decisions. So why are you letting someone else make those decisions for you? Mentally strong people take control of their life and don't give anyone the power to make their decisions for them. Who knows your situation better than you? Who knows what you're going through better than you? The answer? No one. So why are you letting someone who even you know isn't fit for the job make your decisions for you? Is it because of a lack of confidence in your own decision-making skills? Or is it something else? Whatever it is, you need to overcome it and stop letting it affect your life. Think about it. What's the worst that could happen? You'll make a wrong decision. So what? It's one bad decision and you've got your entire life ahead of you. Trust us. As scary as it might seem, one bad decision that empowers you to start taking control of your life is more than worth it. Number 1, get scared of silence. Silence. Pure and utter silence, without any distractions. When was the last time you did that? No phone, book, laptop, or TV in sight. Just you, sitting by yourself, thinking about your life. If you're like most people, probably never. Silence makes people uncomfortable. Even when in conversation, they rush to fill the hole left in the room when the topic ends and start making small talk. This is because silence without any distractions means that you're left alone with your mind. This causes people to overthink and get worried. Especially if you're not comfortable with yourself, silence can be scary. Mentally strong people, however, love silence. Now you might ask, why? Well, when silence causes you to overthink, it forces you to reflect on your actions and think about what you're doing. This might make you uncomfortable at the start, but as time goes on, you learn how to be more true to yourself. Silence is one of the best methods of personal growth out there. You get in touch with yourself and get the time you need to recharge your social battery and reevaluate everything that you have planned out. Silence isn't a hole or abyss that needs to be filled. It's just a space you should visit every once in a while to think about stuff. Learn to thrive in silence and you'll see so much success. And if you liked this video, then check out these related videos to see more.